Now, up to 93% of the country's salt supply is imported. To help boost local production, a new salt research and innovation center has been launched in Pangasinan. The details in this report by Mobile Journal, Jas Paredes.
100% national salt sufficiency rate. This is the ultimate goal of the Accelerating Salt Research and Innovation or ASIN Center, established and officially inaugurated on February 17, 2026 at the Pangasinan State University Binmali campus. It is one of 4 projects under the niche centers in the regions for research and development program of the Department of Science and Technology.
Actually, the ASIN Center was officially started on November 23. Actually, this program is in collaboration with the Mariano Marcos State University or the MMSU, Don Mariano Marcos State University, and the President Ramon Magsaysay State University. And of course, this center has 4 major projects.
The ASIN Center aims to address several challenges faced by the Philippine salt industry, including heavy dependence on salt importation.
As you can observe, last 2022-2023, we have 93% salt importation according to the Philippine Association of Salt Industry Networks, or the PhilASIN. And of course, the climate change and weather-dependent salt production. Of course, our production is heavily independent on the weather condition. So unpredicted rainfall, typhoons, and shorter days for salt production can affect, of course, the salt production.
Other challenges include the lack of new salt farm areas, limited technologies for salt production, a shortage of researchers, poor salt quality, and an aging salt farmer population. Thus, the establishment of the ASIN Center is supported by the newly signed Republic Act No. 11985, or the Philippine Salt Industry Development Act, which aims to revitalize the industry through the development of technologies that promote alternative methods and cost-effective techniques in salt production. The ASIN Center offers 3 specialized laboratories: the Membrane Science and Separation Technology Facility, the Salt Marine Chemicals Laboratory, and the Process Engineering and Salt Technology Facility.
Yung ating Process Engineering Salt Technology Lab natin. So nakapokus naman po ito sa development and testing of salt production technologies like design and development of modern salt production system.
Aside from salt producers, the program also collaborates with government agencies including BIFAR, DTI, and local government units to profile and reach local salt producers.
Ang plano namin ay to deploy 3 units from Luzon, 1 from Visayas, and 1 from Mindanao. No? Of course, strengthening the international research collaboration natin and technology partnership natin, ability of establishing the satellite facilities in other salt-producing regions po.
The ASIN Caravan is also currently underway with its first implementation in Pangasinan. It includes seminars on good manufacturing practices, including sanitation, as well as information sessions on RA 11985 or the Philippine Salt Industry Development Act. Kapatid Jas Paredes, we are One News.